Alright, good evening once again, and YouTubers and other mundane life. I've just heated up some chicken burgers and I am about to fetch them out of the oven. I'm going to get the oven mitt here. So just bear with me holding one hand the camera, putting this one of these Teflon coated oven mitts here, specially designed for the blind people. And so there it is, it's coated with silver. So, and I shall retrieve the chicken burger and french fry from the oven and let it sit. So that's my supper this evening, chicken burgers and french fries. So, and over here we've got the buns already. We got the mayonnaise on the bottoms here, and we're going to put some cheese slices and barbecue sauce on the top. Now, for safety, I was going to originally put the camera on the stove behind the hot plate, but because of heat and because of possible bumping, I have opted instead, as soon as I get these legs out here, I've got an attached camera in anticipation attached to the tripod. So I am going to place this like this and make sure we're pointed to the plate. And yep, the buns are visible, and we'll put the oven mitt down. So what we're going to do, I know some people might think this is a no-no, but I'm going to pick up the patty and put it on the bun. So we got one, and we just work it over here to the plate. Now keep in mind, this is all without sight, so I'm just guessing here, and okay, good, the burger didn't really stick to the pan like they sometimes like to do. So there you have that. So now, I'll get the crumbs off the... Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to maneuver a few things around here, and so what's next? So the next step is to put this stuff over here. Okay, good. We got plenty of room. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, we don't want to put that on the cheese. So these are the cheese slices here. Put on top of each, plus the come on. Okay, and there's a barbecue sauce, the bullseye. The label's been taken off, so going to retrieve the plate, and we just bring it over here. So I don't know if it's out of camera range, but we're going to first put the cheese slice on. Yeah, I'm going to put these on the bun tops. So alright, now this is one of these thin slices of the cheddar cheese that we use here. Alright. So, I think from being out of the fridge, these are fairly thin slices here. Come on. Alright, plastic, don't be difficult. Come on, there you go. Here. Okay, and we tore one here, but can sort that out. Look really tacky. Alright, so the other slice, put on the other bun. Okay, this will be a little difficult, it won't be as difficult here. So Okay, it came loose a little easier. Okay, that worked a little better. And the slice did not break. Alright, alright. We shall just discard these in the garbage can over here. Alright, now we just have the barbecue sauce to put on. And the patties will be ready, so we'll just put this down here. Shake this a bit so it's loose. Come on. Yeah, this is pretty empty, so it's... Alright. Whoa, okay, I think that's plenty. Alright, perfect, yeah. Alright, so we can put this back in the refrigerator. In the door. And just so we're not trying to fiddle with the camera, we're leaving the camera intact. So, our burgers are ready. We put the bun tops on. Okay, so the bun tops are on. And what we will do... Yeah, okay, so what we're going to do next is... So we got these here. And so in the meantime, the pan will have cooled enough. So this is the pan with the French fries. Yeah, this is really... Yeah, this really looks good, doesn't it? Just grab them with your hands. But hey, you know, just a single guy here with nobody else here. I do, of course, if I was with someone else, if there was somebody, I was doing this with somebody else, or having guests or whatever, I would not likely do this. But just myself, and it's just that much less to get dirty, so what the heck, you know? And alright, so just get these last few fries. Alright. We'll just cheat and sample this fry. And it's good. And just in the pan, we're just going to get the stuff in the garbage. I don't want to show that, but you can hear it anyway. And we're just done with that, so we'll deal with that later after we're finished consuming the meal. And washed. The faucet may be out of range, out of focal point. Alright. We shall take this to the table. Being careful not to spill the goods. Alright. Alright, so sorry about that, but there's the chow. And so we will, so there that is. And, well, what the heck, we will get the glass of juice and we'll be all set and ready to chow down. So I'll just get this juice out of the refrigerator. I don't know what kind it is, it's just whatever I grabbed out of the can. It's just the frozen juice. And so we got the glass. Alright, so the purple glass is just my miscellaneous glasses, whatever. And always pour over the sink with the finger in to make sure that the stuff. So there we have it. So I don't know what kind that is, but we'll know as soon as I sit down and eat my supper. And now some of you might think, oh, where's the vegetables? Well, oh dear, oh dear. Okay guys, so there is my supper, and I will talk to everyone later. Take care all.